Hello everyone, in this video we will see some easy and quick hairstyle ideas. So first here we've taken a high ponytail, then we're gonna separate it into two parts. Then first we are going to make a braid. After that we are going to loosen it a little bit. Then again we are repeating the same step with the other part as you can see in the video. After it's done we are going to loose it again and then we are going to join them together and your hairstyle is ready. Next we are going to separate our hair into three parts and then we are making a ponytail, then taking parts from two sides and joining them with a rubber band, and then we are going to make a bun and a braid and joining them together. Next we are going to take two parts from our hair, then joining them with a rubber band, then taking hair from one side, twisting them around and making this type of braid. Again repeating the step with the other side and then joining it with the attachment we've made earlier. Then to the remaining untied hair we are going to make two braids on both the sides and then we are going to join them opposite to each other. Next we're gonna move ahead. Here we've taken a ponytail, then part by part we are going to join them with rubber band as shown in the video. Then we are going to loose it and then you can see your beautiful hairstyle is ready. Now you can apply any clip or clutches to it. Next we are going to take two parts from our hair and then attaching it with rubber band. Then to the remaining untied hair we are going to make a braid and then folding it into this beautiful bun. Next we are going to take our hair from both the sides, joining it with rubber band, then folding it, repeating the same step once more, and then to the remaining hair we are going to make a ponytail first and then dividing it into two parts and making two braids from them and then folding them into this voluminous bun. Next we are going to take our hair and divide them into two parts and then making two braids from it as shown in the video. Then we are going to fold it into our hair opposite direction and then applying this beautiful clip for securing it. Next we are going to take our hair in two parts as you can see. Then we are going to folding them together. Then we are going to repeat the steps till this braid is formed and then you can see your beautiful hairstyle is almost ready. Now you can apply any kind of clips or clutches to it so that it could look more good and amazing. Next we are going to move ahead. Here we've taken a high ponytail. We have taken some part of it, secured it with rubber band and then passing through the untied part through the tied part we've made and then you can see this kind of bow is formed.